How to trade in cryptocurrency. These are some tips for beginners. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Crypto Dive. India is still relatively new to cryptocurrency and it isn't common for people to transact in it. People have jumped on the crypto train because they believe it offers good returns. Trading in shares and debentures is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India and Securities and Exchange Board of India. However, cryptocurrency transactions are not subject to any third-party control. The crypto community controls and governs all transactions and operations in the crypto market. Although cryptocurrencies offer high returns, they are highly volatile, and transactions cannot be reversed once they have been initiated. These are some tips to help you avoid investing your hard-earned money in the crypto markets. It is crucial to choose the right trading platform or crypto exchange before you start trading. A crypto exchange works in the same way as a stock market. There are many crypto trading platforms available in India, including WazirX, CoinSwitch, Kuber and CoinSwitch Kuber. To begin crypto trading, a first-time investor can choose any one of these platforms. After identifying a trading platform, investors must upload all required documents online to complete KYC, Know Your Customer, requirements. An investor can trade cryptocurrency once the KYC process has been completed. The cryptocurrency exchanges are open 24 hours a day and have no opening or closing hours. Investors can store cryptocurrency in a digital wallet, or withdraw it as money. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.